The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is now out, and these 20 features show that it's a much larger upgrade than you may have imagined. Its design has obviously changed. It now resembles the S24 Ultra more because of the redesigned camera ring and consistently smaller bezels throughout. Durability is another upgrade for the Z Fold 6. It is now IP48 rated. Though new rating seems to be better than the old IPX81. Now that it is 60% larger than the Fold 5, the vapor chamber should keep the device cooler during prolonged, intense use. With 2 additional hours of movie playback and 4 more hours of music playback over the Fold 5, the Z Fold 6 will last longer on a single charge than the Fold 5 while having the same battery capacity. This is due to the efficient CPU. With its new, ultra-thin glass that is more robust, Samsung claims that the primary foldable display has a less apparent wrinkle. That is arguable, however. With a brightness of 2600 nits as opposed to the previous model's 1750 nits, the Fold XS display is much brighter. This matches the S24 Ultra's brightness on both the inner and outside screens. For the Z Fold 6, Samsung is offering a fantastic pre-order discount. Pre-order the Z Fold 6 now to save $100, plus an additional $50 off if this is your first purchase via the Samsung Shop app, for a total savings of $150. You'll also be eligible for improved trade-in bargains of up to $1,200, a free storage upgrade to 512 GB, a free 1-year subscription to Samsung Care Plus, and a 5% discount on education. Additionally, there are amazing deals available on the Flip 6, Buds, and new watch. The description contains a link to the deal, should you be interested. Complete Galaxy AI functionality, including brand new capabilities like Sketch to Image, is available on the Z Fold 6. You may sketch whatever you like on a picture with this function, such as a figure wearing sunglasses or a hat. The phone then creates the object you have sketched using AI and offers other versions. Portrait Studio is another awesome function that allows you to alter the visual style of a profile photo. Do you like your appearance to be that of a street artist's sketch? You can accomplish it with this. The nicest thing is that you don't have to limit it to portrait photos. You may even apply it to group photos, selecting certain faces and altering them to your preference. The interpreter, however, is the most awesome new feature. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.